Are you looking for an island where you can do ATV, jet ski, swimming, sleeping, drinking cocktails, eating lunch, and all within just 15 minutes of Phuket? Then watch this video. So today we're talking about Rang Island.
Oh, there's two of them?
Really?
Yes. What are they, Sean? Only because I got it wrong in the little cup just back then.
Rang Yai and Rang Noi.
Okay.
What does Yai mean?
Yai means big.
What does Noi mean?
Small.
You know a lot about Noi.
This was a serious film.
Oh, sorry,
you
that's
said
only
go
bad.
over there and film, and then we'll do the intro when here in the map. It's a serious film. We need it for a certain business reason, and now you're making jokes about it.
Anyway, Rang Yai Island is just 15 minutes out from our pier.
Where is it on the map, Sean? Show us.
This is our pier here at Boat Lagoon.
And this is the island here.
Exactly right.
It's so small, it doesn't even have a name. Oh,
we have a new actor.
Oh, hello.
He's very cute though.
Yeah, he was cute.
Yeah.
Just got children walking past. It's okay. You can't see the backhand that I just did.
Just want to put it out to you. I love you, Jay.
Why?
But you have a big pimple.
Do I know? I know.
It's freaking me out.
It's not a big. Don't say it's a big one. It's red. I got it this morning.
What happened?
Lack of sleep. You're working me too hard. I'm not eating enough fruits and vegetables. You don't pay me enough to eat that sort of good stuff.
Anyway, we quite often get asked.
Great. I love how you just segue out of that.
Yeah.
Brilliant.
We quite often get asked by our guests for an island that is not so far away and it's got some activities and it's a nice kind of soft experience.
Activities and facilities.
And so before we have done videos on things like Coral Island and Kai Island, which are good islands because they suit that kind of idea.
Yes.
But here's another option. This is Rang Island, as I said, just 15 minutes out from the pier. And Jay, you were just out at the island, so you know everything that can happen on this island. So
in fact, we could get Carl to cut to all the bits I shot last week.
What I was thinking is I'm going to ask you if someone can do this at the island, and you're going to tell me yes, and then Kyle will cut you in.
Shall I bring a note so you make sure we cover all the shots I did?
Firstly, Jay, is there somewhere to eat lunch?
Oh, there is. There's a lovely restaurant, and not only that, there's a bar that goes with the restaurant, and they do have some fresh seafood there as well, which you can get.
Cool. What about cocktails?
I didn't have any cocktails, but you can get cocktails there.
And there's beer there as well, right?
I'm not really a cocktail guy.
Yeah, I know.
Unless it's a pina.
Oh, gosh, cut that, Kyle.
No, I said pina colada.
Yeah, I can cut it all. Okay, so we can drink, we can eat.
Yes. You go to the toilet afterwards as well.
What about if the kids get a little bit bored of just sitting on the beach? Is there some activities they can do?
Well, you mentioned the beach. You just kind of just brushed it over. We'll come back to the beach. There are activities, Sean. You could do ATV in. They've even got ATVs, look. Now, wonder if I can get on one of these. Oh yeah, baby. Or, Sean, you could even do jet skiing. They got jet skis, baby! Woo-hoo! Or, Sean, if you're really interested, you could go and do some volleyball, but I didn't have any friends, but there you go. Oh, look, could even have a game of volleyball if I had some friends. Need some friends.
And there is actually a secret hidden beach on the backside.
There is.
You like things on the backside.
I do like going to the backside. I especially like Maya Bay's back end. You can go to the secret beach. Now, here is, I'm going to be very honest now.
You didn't film it?
No, I did film it.
It's beeping at us.
No, that's the GoPro beeping. That's okay. Be professional. Okay. Pimple, be professional. Now, the south end of the island, or the south side of the island, has a beautiful white sandy beach, like a tropical beach with crystal clear waters. It's got a main beach where you can sit and relax, sunbeds and deck chairs and stuff. And then either side of that, there's two real tranquil beaches, which you can go and see now. Now, going back to the secret beach is at the north side, or the back end, as you said. Now, that beach is nice when the tide's quite high.
Yes.
When the tide goes out, don't expect it to be a beautiful, beautiful sandy beach. It's not. It's a bit muddy, but it's really cool if you want to go exploring. So if the kids like to explore, pick up hermit crabs and find shells and stuff.
Or you want to play hide and seek with the kids and go, Mummy, they're going to go hide at the secret beach?
Yeah, they could hide in the secret beach in the mud. But it's very, very cool. But the island's also got a beautiful coconut grove as well. So if you want coconuts, and there's animals there. Look, on Koh Rang, they got monkeys. Hello, Koh Rang monkey. Monkey collects all the coconuts. That's why, as we come round here, you see all the coconuts here. So the monkey goes up these trees, look, woo woo, and collects all the coconuts. God, this island's stunning. And look, they've even got goats here. I love goats. Goats are awesome. That's Brian. Hey Brian, how are you? Shut up, you big cock! That's not Brian, that's the big cockerel over there making all the noise. Anyway, goats, Koh Rang. Okay, they're the animals, Sean. Did you like them?
Was that the one with the goat?
Yes, that's Brian,
yes,
that's Brian
okay,
the goat. Okay. There's also peacocks over there. Almost actually, on the ATV footage, you've probably seen it already because we put it in earlier. You saw me almost run over a peacock.
Okay, so
I think it was a peahen actually.
So you can relax on the beach.
Yes.
You can swim.
Yes.
You can ATV.
Yes.
You can jet ski.
Yes.
You can go to the secret hidden beaches.
Did you like my jet skiing, by the way? I haven't been on a jet ski. I love jet skis.
You can have lunch, you can drink.
Yes.
All within 15 minutes of Phuket.
Yeah, and you can also watch the sunset come down as well, because it's got a beautiful sunset over, or it drops down below Phuket. Also, Sean, even if you just want to go for further distance, either go to Phang Nga Bay or you go to Phi Phi, you can actually stop there on the way back. It's nice as a final stop just to put your toes in the sand, have that final swim and the cocktail before you come back to the pier.
Sounds like the perfect place for a day. For a young family?
It's more than a perfect place for a day, Sean. You can actually stay there. There's bungalows if you want to stay there. Look at these. Yeah, a little bungalow, look. Quite cute, isn't it? Very nice. You get to stay on that. But even better, look at the view when you wake up. Oh, yeah, baby. That's not bad at all, is it? Very nice.
I didn't know that.
Yeah, they've got bungalows. And not only that, Sean, if you don't like bungalows, you can stay in a tent. Look. You can even camp here, which is nice. I'm not sure about that little one though. Bit small, isn't it? I guess it's all right if you're a little person. Not sure I can say that. Anyway, camping, Koh Rang, nice. I did a bit about tents as well. Yeah, that's in there. That's good, isn't it?
Oh, well,
this will be a really fun video, you know.
I feel like we've covered it all.
Well, you told me to.
Yeah, well, that's good. So
that's
if you're looking for
but no, seriously, when you sent me out there, you said make sure I cover everything on it because this is for a certain... That's what you told me to do.
Okay, got it.
So I've covered it.
Yeah.
Good.
So if you're looking for...
Do you know, Sean, you can also go from Phuket at Lam Hin. You get a long tail. If you don't want to come with 5-star, you can get a long tail that takes you to Koh Rang for the day. Yeah. It's only about 1,500 baht and it's a return trip.
Prices may vary.
Oh yeah, that's true.
Yeah, we don't own,
that's negotiated,
by the way.
We
We don't own long tail boats, so we can't quote their prices.
I'm just saying, if you wanted to go over there for the day, you can.
Yeah, you could swim probably.
It's got great access to everything.
Have you tried to swim there?
No, I've never swam there. It's actually quite far. You think it's quite close, but actually...
Coconut Island.
From Coconut Island, it's okay. Yeah, it's not too bad.
It'd be like a good open water swim.
It would be, yeah.
All right, well that's it. I'm done. You have anything else?
No, I like Koh Rang. It's one of my favourite places. I've DJ'd there. I've done team building events there. We do loads of stuff there. It's a really cool
I did a wedding there.
Did you get married there?
No, I did a wedding for someone over there. I did an anniversary. We've had live bands on there. It's a beautiful spot to do all different kinds of things. And I hear that somebody might be starting a beach club there soon. I don't know what you're talking about. Anyway, on that little bombshell, we're going to go back to the office. Thanks for watching. Make sure you like and subscribe. Subscribe even. And if you have any questions, put them in the comments below. Thanks. Bye.